I want you to be as honest as you can be just for a second. So, are you chasing the women you want, or are your actions actually making them chase you? If you feel that pull to text more, to explain more, to prove yourself, stop. Stop that right now. Most men have been told to give up, to move on, or worse still, try harder. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You see, women don't miss men because they need them. They miss men who create a powerful emotional presence even in their absence. This isn't about tricks or pickup lines. It's about psychology. Apply these 3 shifts, and even a woman who wasn't interested in you at first will begin to think about you, even when you're not there. So stay with me to the end, because when you understand these simple truths, this truly changes everything. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lindsey Doe from the Gentleman's Square, and I am your personal female advocate for men. And every week I give you the real inside information on what women really truly respond to versus what they say they want. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss my weekly videos and downloads. Now let's dive in so you can actually start embodying that magnetic presence and emanate an energy she can't resist. Number 1, why chasing kills attraction. Now, most men believe effort equals attraction. More calls, more apologies, more attention, that equals love. No. However, the counterintuitive truth is that chasing kills attraction. Think of desire like a controlled fire. If you throw gasoline on it too much, too fast, you don't create warmth, you create a wildfire that scares people away. Chasing with attention is like gasoline. It creates heat. The only problem is it's the wrong kind of heat. This is why chasing breaks attraction. It signals scarcity. The I need you instead of no, I choose you. What happens? It smells desperate, and it removes the mystery. When everything is given, nothing is earned. It hands her control. She learns a push is all it takes for you to run. I worked with a client once, let's call him Sam, for example. Sam had a great career, great heart, and he had met this beautiful, attractive, sexy woman. He texted morning, noon, and night. 2 weeks later, she became distant. Why? He'd given everything before she'd shown she was worth it. When he stopped, guess what happened? That's right, she reached out first. You see, space creates curiosity, and curiosity feeds desire. So here's what you do. Stop chasing. Literally stop. Pull back on the I miss you texties. Replace volume with value. You see, one message with weight beats 10 hollow ones. Create space. Let her fill it in. That silence is the birthplace of desire. I want you to try this. I call it the micro-experiment. If you're messaging a woman you are seriously attracted to, say about 3 or more times a day, go silent for 48 hours and watch what happens. Let that silence speak for you. Number 2, silence speaks louder than texts. You think words build love? Well, think again. Sometimes they demolish it. You see, silence has weight. Silence creates tension. The human brain wants to resolve, and that tension makes her think about you even when you're not there. Imagine a luxury watch under glass. If every second is explained, the magic fades. If the watch just ticks quietly, you lean in to listen. That quiet ticking is silence. It's the small, powerful sound she can't ignore. Now let me explain why calm, grounded silence works. It forces the imagination. Her mind fills in the blanks, often in your favor. It increases perceived value, and by that I mean your attention becomes scarce, so it costs more. It protects you. That's right. Silence prevents you from handling her ammunition. Now, most men panic. Just like Brad, another client I worked with, he literally panicked and got all caught up in his head, overthinking and overprocessing. When the replies were slow, he double-text, over-explained. So what happened? Yes, you guessed it. She pulled away. When he learned to wait, to read the energy, and when to send good, strong messages to appear vibrant in the right moments and hold back, that's when she started initiating. Why? Because it created that mental space for her to wander. Now here's the cue. Use silence as a tool. Don't confuse it with immaturity. Now, let me explain what I mean by this. Availability is often mistaken for devotion, but over-availability makes you predictable, and predictable is forgettable. Women are attracted to men who have a life, not a schedule that orbits around them. Think of a rare art museum. They don't leave the gallery open 24/7, they curate access. Rarity increases value. Your time is like that art, curate it. Don't be on display all the time. So here is why being over-available kills desire. It removes the challenge. Without challenge, attraction flattens. It signals low value. Immediate answers say, I have nothing else to do but answer your calls. It removes independence. It's a mature restraint. Text with intention. One message that has weight beats 10 automatic ones. When she goes quiet, resist the urge to fill the gap. Hold your frame. Let curiosity do the heavy lifting. Now, let me share a micro practice tip for you to use today, tonight, whenever. When she replies late or gives a short response, limit your next message to one line with value or wait for a few hours. Track what changes. Number 3, stop being too available. And independence is a primary attractor. Now, Simon, another client of mine that I was working with, would cancel gym nights the last minute just to be with her. She never respected him. When Simon understood the power of being grounded in his masculine and started saying, you know, I'd love to, but I can't. I've got plans. Everything shifted. She began to prioritize him and started orbiting around him. Now listen, I know I keep repeating myself. However, let me tell you this one more time. Have a life. Build interests, friendships, goals. Schedule them in and protect them. Politely say no. Sometimes I can't make it tonight. I've got X on. Let's plan for Y instead. Don't be constantly on call. Let your life be the reason she wants to be in it. Now here is a tiny challenge for you this week. Refuse one easy request to honor your plan. Notice the change. The attention you get won't be because you played the game. It'll be because you honor your value. Okay, my friend, let me pull this together for you. Stop chasing. Use silence with intention. Protect your availability. These 3 shifts are very simple and yet profound. They rewire how a woman perceives you. They flip scarcity into desire, and they turn indifference into curiosity. They turn you from one of many into someone unforgettable. And if you're ready to stop playing games and start embodying magnetic presence, then take the next step. I invite you to book a private strategy call. That's right, where we'll map the exact version of you that creates curiosity and commands respect and attracts women without begging. All you need to do is click the link below in the description and take that step now and book a private strategy call. Remember, don't prove your worth, live your worth. Let her discover the man she can't stop thinking about. Now, if you like this video, all you need to do is drop a comment down below and let me know which of the 3 micro challenges will you take this week. I read every one of my messages and I'll give you direct feedback. I'm super grateful, and I'd like to say thank you for watching and supporting my channel, because without you, this channel wouldn't exist. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another brother who needs to hear this message.